Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant error code 19. Actually, sometimes this problem showing for our IP address, but don't worry, in this video I'll show you two easy methods to fix this problem. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, go to start menu and right click on mouse, then go to task manager, and here find out Windows Explorer. So once you found it, just right click on it and click on restart. After restart Windows Explorer, just close this tab and I hope your problem will be fixed. But if this method do not work for you, there is another method. Go to start menu and here search for command prompt. Right click on it and run as administrator. So a command window will be open. Here we have to type some codes and we should be careful about spelling. Okay, so first of all type here ipconfig /flush DNS and then hit on enter. Now type here netsh winshock reset, then again hit on enter, and finally type here sfc /scan now and hit on enter. It will take some time for verification the whole process, so wait until the end. Once the verification is done, just close this window and restart your computer. So that's why you can use keyboard shortcut Alt F4 and select restart, then click on OK. If you follow this method, hopefully your problem will be fixed. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you think it is helpful, please like this video, and thanks a lot for watching this video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.